The Boeing B-17 Flying Fortress, a four-engine heavy bomber developed in the 1930s for the then United States Army Air Corps, ultimately dropped more bombs than any other aircraft of the entire Second World War. The Boeing B-17 Flying Fortress was a highly successful bomber in World War II, dropping more bombs than any other aircraft of the time. The aircraft's name, Flying Fortress, was coined by a journalist due to its heavy armaments and protective capabilities. The B-17E's superior performance, stability, and reliability earned it the nickname and the favor of the 8th Air Force.